get the ball, get the ball. Where's the ball? Left. First, our third game, Armos U10 category. Red. Warning both teams are warning on red. Both coaches down. Warning both coach. I'll give you technical after. Both coach warning, both coach. See ball. Oh, that's Armos ball, Armos.
Instead of go get something now.
I already paid that day on.
Now John, right by Jared. Ochon, right, skate. Wanting to shoot, first basket, too strong.
ادم على الكره يزيد عدي واحد بس واحد مش ثلاثه واحد طيب ادم
Midget ah. Midget ako sculpture.
Ochon now. Ochon, target 2. First shot, yes! On number 7, Cabo. Fourteen shoot. 3-second violation on right hand basket. Armos small, Armos. 8 minutes, score 2-0. Robin violation. Time out on Armos. Delta ball. Yasin, dribbling. Pass to number 8. Top. Top, let's go. Top, 2 points. Score. 0-2. Number 8. Dribbling. 7 minutes. 27 seconds. Number 8. Number 8. Lays up. Still got the rebound. Troubling violation.
Time out.
Timeout Delta.
قلنا دبل عليه كمان عيدنا
Tapos, kasi kailang pangalan. Nag-dribble pa ko, inasal sa pangalan.
يزيد مين هو؟ دبل عليه
Pass to number 3.
دبل عليه
Malanan. Oh, there's the whistle.
تعمل فاول
Foul number 18.
عمر دبل عليه يزيد
Adam. Adam. First personal foul.
دبل عليه
Intercept by number 8, Chala. Chala setting the play to Uday. Uday for the 3, no good. Intercept by number 7. Sean. Number 8, lays up, no good. Rebound by Malaka. Malakalaka, number 3, to Kabog. Number Kabog, 2 points.
سبعة مساعد أيوة 7 مساعد
11. Uday, dribbling the ball. Uday, on the middle, lays up, no good. Rebound by number 7.
Kabog.
Kabog. 7 Kabog, intercept. Shot ball.
Sap.
Substitution. Armas ball.
Taro.
Armas ball. Substitution.
يزيد نمبر 16 عبد الله 13 دبر علي يزيد انت دبر علي عبد الله مالك عجيب
7 Kabog. Number 13, Abellana. Single.
ارجع لورا
Score 4-2.
Shot lang.
امسك 7
14 seconds to
عبد
shoot.
الله ايوه عمر
Look. Number 8, shot. Number 8, pass dribbling. Shot, intercept. Number 6, traveling violation. Time left, 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Score 4-2 in favor of Armas. Abellana dribbling the ball. Pass by Chara. What an nice defense by Chara. Abellana still dribbling on the middle. Pass to number 23. There's a traveling by number 23.
ولا دبر علي
Delta ball.
دبر علي يلا يزيد
Yasin.
Yasin dribbling, looking at his teammates, setting the play. Yasin pass dribbling over the court. It's blocked. Number 3. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
Stepping.
Pungkol na liwat ako manoy
10 seconds to shoot.
kapay committed
Delta ball. There's a basket. Five. Wala. On 4. Abellana. Oh, there's the whistle. Foul, number 8, Abellana. 2 shots.
Lating foul.
Abellana. First personal foul.
عمر اطلع
Ay, Chala, number 8.
Lating foul.
First team foul. Second team foul, ang Delta.
عمر تعال برا
Abellana. No basket steal. Rebound by number 7. Kabog to Abellana. Out.
باص
Chala.
بدي جو خذ
Uda. Chala for the 3. No good. On the ball. Line ball. Delta ball.
Sap.
Substitution.
Tawagin. Score na kalimut. Ano patayin? 3 times score.
Score, all 4. Time left, 3 minutes, 20 seconds.
Brought to you by
Brought to you by Frico Cargo. Door-to-door cargo to the Philippines. 13 Abellana. Dribbling the ball, Hanas by Yasin.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
خذ كرة
Ano patayin?
الدين عليه
14 to shoot. Pass to number 18. Number 31. Oh, intercept by Chala. Chala on the run. Pass to number 0. Armos. Timeout.
Wala may timeout ha. Wala yung timeout.
Both teams. One more timeout. 0. Uday. no good. Number 7 to 13, Abeliana. Abeliana.
عدي
Ah.
مالك يا عدي
Laro-laroin mo na to. Para may masabi ka.
Foul. There's a whistle.
Stop.
Foul. Number 0-0. Substitution rep.
Stop.
Foul. Substitution rep. Substitution.
خلاص رجعوا
Intercept by Charak. Charak is up. No good.
Score, wala. Kalimutan mo na yung score.
Score. All four. Wala. Number 23. No good.
ياسين
Delta ball. Time left. 1:35 seconds. The score is still the same. All four. Delta. Shut up. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation.
Time, 1 minute 17.
Time remaining 1:17 seconds. Okay, so we go. Foul number 36, Yasmin. Delta warning for penalty, Yasmin. First, personal foul. 58 seconds. Ten to shoot. Basket. Score 6-4 in favor of Armos. 30 seconds.
Shoot.
10 to shoot.
Stop! Take the ball! Hoy, stop!
6 seconds. Sabihin mo oras.
26 seconds. Armos ball. Ayan, intercept by Sala. Raise up, good. Basket. Also 10 seconds. Five seconds violation. Time left 3 seconds. 3 seconds remaining. And
عمر ياسين
Armos ball.
ضغط عليه ضغط على الثمانية ياسين مين عليه
Second quarter. Line violation. Foul ball. Received by Yasin. Yasin. As for number 8, Yasin on the dribble. It's a line violation again by Yasin. Yep. Armos. Ball. Orton, hands up. No good. Everyone well up. There's a whistle. 88. Foul number 88. Second personal foul number 88. First team foul. Delta.
Where is 88? Where is 88? Which 88?
Limit mo.
Which 88?
Sino foul?
88.
There's no 88.
88.
Number 4 home, foul.
Rep, 88 rep.
Foul
Wala.
for that one. Foul for 7.
Wait.
77. 77.
Sino? Rep. Rep. Wala 88 sa 88. 88, wala 88. 88 sa 88, wala 88.
14 seconds shot clock.
Siguro 88.
Time to shoot.
Kanina ba, Paul? Kasi Paul kanina. Ah, 88, wala 88 ya.
Uy, 7 rin. 7 ba?
Wala kang eight.
Just 7.
7 na ako. Retro.
8.
Ochon.
7 mo, sir.
Score 7-6. Ochon lays up.
Bravo.
Number 17.
Shoot, time to shoot.
3 seconds violation. 7 minutes 55 seconds. Score 7-6. 1 point lead by Armos. 23. 23. The foul.
Ilan?
7 minutes 32 seconds. Ishak. Balak lays up. No good. We get the rebound again.
Omar.
Omar 2 points. Score 8-7. Delta 1 point lead. Ochon. There is a whistle. Foul. Number 06. Second personal foul. Substitution, ref. Second team foul. Yasin out. Lance in. Time. Intercept. By number 3, Malakad. Oh. There's a whistle.
معلش يلا بريك.
Foul. Number 8. Number 8.
Chalak.
Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Pangalan niya, huwag mong naman.
Shalak. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Delta. Malakad. Shot. The score is 8-7 in favor of Delta. Malakad, second try. Malakad, 1 point. Deadlock, all 8.
Una pati yung oras.
Go still, Dylan.
Chalak, 8. Block. You're by number 17. Number 17, Ochon. Ochon dribbling, zigzagging, Ochon lays up. Yes, by Ochon. Score 10-8 in favor of Armos. Time left 6 minutes 10 seconds. 6:05 is the official time. Uday. To Chalak. Chalak on the 3. It's not good. Real Chalak again. Penetrate and play. Chalak is 2 points. All 10. It's deadlock game between Armos and Delta. Ochon on the return. Ochon lays up. It's not good. You see the board? The number 3 lays up. Foul. Number 7-7. Timeout. Malakad first free throw is not good. Number 3, Malakad. Malakad, second shot. And Malakad. No good again. Yasin. Yasin on the middle. Oh, the follow-up. Oh, number 88 still has the ball. Mark. And to Ochon. Ochon, fast dribbling and a lays up. Ochon, there's a whistle. 0-0, number 0-0. Pushing foul. Penalty. Second personal foul. Number 0-0. Number 8. Ochon, first free throw. It's a good one. 11-10. 1 point lead. Armos. Second free throw shot by Ochon. It's no good. Line violation. Delta ball. Score 11-10. Time left 5 minutes exactly on the second period. Number 0-0. 0 Uday. Uday on the 3. No good. Held by number 23. Number 23. It's a traveling violation. Armos ball. It's 11-10. Time left 4 minutes 30 seconds. Ochon. Giving the dribble. Ochon. For the no good. Dribble by Ochon. Oh, there's the foul. Foul number 23. Delta is on penalty. Ochon. First shot, it's good. 12-10. 2 points lead. Armos. Ochon, second shot. It's no good. Ochon got the ball again. Ochon zigzag. No good. Rebound by Chalak. Ano? 8, Chalak. To Yasin on the crossover. Tries the ball. Ochon. Harassed by Delta team. Ochon on the dribbling. 10 seconds, shot up. 3. Number 3. Score 14-10. Time left 3 minutes 208 seconds. No good. Lays up, no good. Pass to Chalak. Chalak to Uday. Uday dribbling. Oh, traveling violation. Official score 13-10. 3 points lead Armos. 3 points lead by Armos. Ochon on the dribble. Intercept. Pass to Uday. Uday on the middle and gives the lays up. Oh, there's a foul. Foul number 3. Over the head foul. First team foul by Armos. 2 shots for Uday. Time left 2 minutes 12 seconds. 2:12. Uday. No. Uday. Time left 2 minutes 12 seconds. 2:12. No good. Chalak 2 points. Score 13-12. Armos 1 point lead. Time left 1 minute 55 seconds. Ochon. There's a foul. Number 6.
فاول 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 فاول
Penalty.
معلش فاول يزيد
Yasin, third personal foul. Del Tyson penalty. Ochon. Ochon on free throw shot. It's good. 14-12.
10-14 yan kanina. Ayusin nyo naman. Ano, 10-14 kanina, tapos ngayon, 15 na. Score. Sir, sir. 14-14. Hindi, ayusin, 10-14. 14-14. Dili, yung di-up, di-dilan. Wala, 14. 14, sakto. 14.
It's Armos ball.
Pero nga na-score. Ay mo gadlock. 14 na. Tama, 14.
Usara lagi, ang liap niya, usa ka point.
Ayusin nyo dyan. Tama.
Basket 16-12.
Tama.
Score 16-12. Armos 4 points lead. Yasin. Chalak. Oh, basket. 16-14. Time left. 1 minute 12 seconds. 1:12. It's offensive foul.
Stop.
Substitution.
Run.
It's 16-14.
يلا عدا يربول
Pantayo.
عدا
1 minute and 5 seconds.
قعدي شوف سنة
Uday. Chalak. To Uday. Oh! It's a block. Uday again. 10 to shoot. Chalak. 3 seconds. Violation. Time left 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Score 16-14. 2 points lead. Armos.
شوف سنة
Time left 32 seconds. Score 16-14. Yasin. To number 23. Number 23. Oh. 10 to shoot. It's a double dribble. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Ochon. No good. 5 seconds. 3. End of the quarter. Score. Let's start. Yasin.
ليش شوف
Uday. Traveling violation.
العالم
Armas ball. Abeliana. On the dribbling. Aras by Yasin. Yasin. Oh. Yasin on the laser. Oh. Not good.
باص
14 seconds shot clock. Chala for the 3. No good. Abeliana. Abeliana intercept by number 0. Uday. Uday. Foul. Foul number 31.
Ano nangyari dyan? Tropa, naging tropa. Hindi mo. Nag-change.
Uday. No good. It's a basket.
Wait. I know, I really play.
Oh, Steve.
I have to take
The score is all 16. 23.
Stop.
Substitution. Second personal foul. First team foul. Abudi. First shot. No good. The score is all 16. Baba number 7. Score 17-16. 1 point lead, Armos. Chala. Uday. It's a troubling violation, not counted. 7 minutes 5 seconds. Armos. Score 17-16. Ochon. No basket, there's a foul. Foul number 23. Holding foul. 2 shots. Second team foul for Delta. Number 23, third personal foul. Ochon. No good.
Free throw lang. Next game, motivation tsaka
Next game, motivation versus
top goal.
top goal. Ochon, second shot. No good again. Rebound by Ochon. Ochon got the raise up 2 points. Score 19-16. 3 points lead, Armos. Time left 6 minutes 10 seconds. 6-10. Chala, number 8 to Uday. Yasin on the middle. It's the jump ball. Armos ball. Okay. Number 18. It's a troubling violation substitution. Ref. This substitution is brought to you by Rico Arco. Delta ball. Time left 5 minutes 25 seconds. There's a whistle. Armos warning for delaying the game. Yasin pass to his teammate. Chala. 10 to shoot. Foul number 8. It's second team foul by Armos. First personal foul, number 8. Second team foul.
Pangalan.
Ochon.
Kita mo. Ben, basket time out.
Basket timeout. Good. Talak for the three. No good. 4 minutes, 45 seconds. Ochon. Number 7, raise up. No good. 0.
Yun na yung Uday, hindi mo kayo kilala.
Uday.
Hindi mo kabisado.
Number 17, number 8, Ochon.
Tema.
Timeout.
Armo.
Armon. 18 seconds. Score 19-16 in favor of Armos. Uday. There's Suso. Foul number 17. Number 17. First personal foul. Third team foul. Armos. First shot. It's no good. Score 19-16. Second shot by Uday. No good again. Rebound by Talak. Talak is up, no good. For the rebound and dribbling on number 17, Manaska to number 8, Ochon, no good. Rebound by Uday. Pass to Yasin. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Ochon.
Stop.
Substitution.
Sabrep!
Substitution.
Rep, tingin!
Okay, let's play the game.
Sige ito, time out.
2 minutes, 19. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. 19-16. Ochon for the raise up. It's good. Score 21-16.
Hindi mo referee na
5 points lead. Armos. Yasin on the dribble. It's a line violation. Armos ball. Number 8. Time left 2 minutes 35 seconds. It's a traveling violation. Substitution. Score 21-16 in favor of Armos. Yasin dribbling. Yasin to Uday. There's Uso. Foul number 8. Armos warning for penalty. Number 8.
Then sabihin mo yung nasa ilalim, hindi makapokus yung bata sa ilalim.
Warning for
Rep. Labasin mo sila mga content.
audience, requesting the audience at the backboard to adjust. Thank you.
Kasi hindi makapokus yung bata.
That's the request of our both coaches. Thank you. Let's play the game. Yasin, and to shoot. Uday, no good. Rebound by number 18. Intercept by Talak. Talak lays up, no good again. Rebound by Ochon lays up, it's no good. There's a whistle by the referee. It's technical foul.
Shouting.
This court shouting. Technical for 0-0.
Explain mo, sabihin mo. Sige na, rep! Sige na, rep!
For the sports team shouting, we will give one free throw to Armos.
Rep, sige na! Huwag mo na yung sabihan.
One free throw. No jumper. Okay.
Where is the warning? You give him the warning. Where is the
It's
warning?
technical because shouting. Not
He
technical.
didn't shout. What he shouted?
Shout. Sige na, rep. Huwag mo na usapin, rep.
One free throw. Ochon will do the technical shot. Technical shot.
Don't shout to die, don't shout. Don't shout to die.
First technical shot. The score is 21-16. Technical shot, basket, 22-16. Armas. Time left, 1 minute 30 seconds. Intercept by Chalak. Chalak is up, no good. Jump ball, it's Delta ball.
Delta.
Delta ball. Time left, 1 minute 20 seconds.
Iran.
Score 22-16. Oh, for the three. It's 22-19. Time left. 1 minute 5 seconds. Ochon for the two. It's 24-19. Exactly 1 minute. Unay.
Sabihin mo, 5-point lead. Sabihin mo para alam nila.
5-point lead by Armos. Yasin on the jump shot. No good. Time left. 14 seconds. Ochon. Oh. So, it's a legal string by number 17.
Sabihin mo para.
Foul. Penalty.
Offensive foul.
No. It's an offensive foul. Okay. It's an offensive foul. Yeah. Walang free throw. Okay. No free throw.
Wala ka. Parang hindi referee.
Okay, put the cat in, Joe. Put the cat.
Yasin.
Kanta.
25 seconds. Tala. 2 points. 20 seconds. Score. 24-21. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 8, Ochon basket. 5 seconds. Score 26-21. 2. And 26-21.
Ipat mo araw.
Basket. Time out.
Ulit isip ko.
Basket by Ochon. Score 28-23. 5 points lead. Armos. Time left 9 minutes 15 seconds. Everyone listen. Oh, close to the set. Yasin. There's a foul. Number 7.
O, team foul. Sabihin mo ilang team foul.
Armos, first team foul. Number 7. First personal foul.
Set the shoot.
And the shoot.
17. Ano pala na 17? Sa pangalan? O, kailan Cabo? First personal foul.
Cabo, first personal foul. Number 8, Ochon. Number 13.
Liana.
Number 6, Yasin. Goes up, lock. They're set. No good. Rebound by Yasin. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ochon. Pass dribbling. Oh, there's a foul. Foul, 0-0.
Temon to.
Timeout. Ochon. First free throw shot. It's no good. Automatically Delta ball. Score 28-23. To Chalak, to Uday. Bates, Uday. There's the whistle. Blocking foul. Number 3. Two shots. Armos.
Team foul, personal foul.
Second team foul. Number 3, second personal foul.
Basket shot. Basket shot, sabi mo.
Basket style.
Substitution.
Substitution, red. Substitution. Ochon. No good.
Mar.
Tumar. Intercept by Ochon. Ochon lays up. No good. Rebound by Uday. Intercept by Ochon. Trying to intercept the ball. Uday. Dribbling. Turn around. Uday on the middle. Turn around again. Uday lays up. No good. Rebound by number 17. To number 8, Ochon, 6 minutes, 10 seconds left. Ochon. 42, it's no good. Number 17, Alaska, basket. It's a basket.
Wala.
Foul.
Score, wala yung score.
Score 30-23. Substitution. Third personal foul. Delta second team foul. Time left 5 minutes 55 seconds. Basket. Score 31-23. Chalak. It's a basket. Score 31-25. Time left 5 minutes 30 seconds. 31-25. Ochon. For the rebound, yes by Ochon. 33-25. 8 points lead, Armos. Yasin. It's up, no good. Foul. Foul number 13. personal foul, 13 foul. Intercept by number 17, pass dribbling. Number 17 on the ring. Oh, there's also foul.
Tayo oras.
Number 8. Number 8, warning for disqualification. 13 foul, Delta.
Fourth personal foul.
Fourth personal foul. Time left 4 minutes, 40 seconds. And the score, 33-25 in favor of Armas. First shot by Manasca is not good. And the second shot is not good again. Rebound by Manasca again. It's St. Vasquez. Foul, 0-0. Wade. Bonus shot by number 17 Manasca. Official score, 35-25, 10 points lead. Armos. Manasca, basket again. 36-25. Time left 4 minutes, 22 seconds. Intercept. Number 13, Avellana. Traveling violation, substitution, red. Score 36-25. Time left 3 minutes, 59 seconds. Uda. Salah. Other ball. Armos ball.
Mana pa tayo?
The score 36-25. Ochon lays up. No good. With a shot on number 3, Malakad. Ochon. It's a 3 seconds of violation. Delta ball.
3 minutes.
Time left 3 minutes, 11 seconds. Intercept by number 8, Ochon. No good. Manasca, no good again. Rebound by Manasca, number 18. Follows up, no good. Rebound Salah. Oh, foul.
Sab.
Foul by number 8, Ochon, substitution.
Sab.
Third personal foul, Ochon. Fourth, team foul, Armos, warning, 4. Penalty, substitution.
Mana pa tayo?
Score 36-26. Oday. Okay. On the middle of the court. Intercept by number 8, Ochon. Ochon on the lays up. Yes. By Ochon. Score 38-26. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Pico Cargo. 29-30. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. 10 to shoot. It's a troubling violation. 38
Stop now, stop. Stop now, stop.
130.
8, Talak, basket! 31-38.
1 minute.
1 minute, 5 seconds. Ochon. Intercept. Talak. There's the whistle. Number 17.
Time out. Flip.
Time out.
1 minute, go.
Armas is in penalty. Time left, 59 seconds. Yasin. It's basket. 38-32. 6 points lead by Armas.
Pag-chat lang. Takot ka.
Oh. No good. It's a basket.
Wait. Shot alam ko.
Foul number 23.
Stop, please, stop. Two. Time out.
Stop.
Time out. Delta.
Time out. Matik ka.
Score 38-34.
Ha?
Kaya yan. May sistema lang ako ngayon.
Alam mo, iba
The score is 38-34. 4 points lead Armas.
Go.
Back to the ball game. Time left 54 seconds of our final and last quarter.
Wala ka upo dyan, wala reklamo lahat. O, ikaw, hinihintay mo reklamo sila eh. Hinihintay mo reklamo. Gawa ka na para tabis na dito reklamo. Ayun na, ginamit ko ng quad ko. Focus, 54 seconds. Aldraman. You stay there. You're not player. Stay there. I will technical you.
Bonus shot.
Come on.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Intercept. It's a basket. 14-34. 35 seconds. Traveling violation. Time left 21 seconds. Intercept by Yasin. 10 seconds, Yasin. No good. 9 seconds. 5. End of the game.